Channel Vivek Pandey. So as you have seen the thumbnail, today we are going to learn about pandas. Pandas. So what is pandas? Why we are going to do this? Why we are going to learn pandas? And then what are the things we can able to do with the help of pandas? So many things we are going to see, all practical things. Practical things. So to learn this or to listen to this course, the content, what you required, what are the requirements, you should know a little knowledge about Python. Yes, means what are the syntaxes, how to import all these things. So purely we are going to work on pandas today. And yes, this video is going to be little longer, and this is part 1, and part 2 will be also released very soon. So I wanted you all, those who don't know about pandas, you can this video will be helpful to all of you in learning and uh, enhancing your skills on pandas, like for a data analysis, for manipulations of a data set, we use this pandas, and it is one of the famous library in Python. Yes, so many things. I have created a presentation. Yes, presentation of 50 slides. So according to that, we are going to discuss each and everything. Okay, so if you feel this video is little slow, you can we have an option of making the video faster mode, 2x. Yes, and just once you can, if you are giving a glance, you will understand what exactly we are going to do. So everything will be practical things, and we are going to use here Google Colab, and for a data set we are going to use Kaggle. Yes, so all these things are required for our learning of pandas. So guys, as I hope you are on my channel, and you will be definitely going to get some value from here, and let's without wasting much time, let's start what we are going to do. So let's start, guys. Now let me go on this. So see here. Yes, no, I don't have anything here. Let me close all these apps. Yes, we'll go with the first. We are going with the pandas, pandas in Python. So simply you can search of this pandas. You can get all these things, information about pandas, and then what I told you is we are going with the Kaggle.com for the data set. See here, I already logged in. You can also log in into this. It is free, guys, open source. No need of pay anything here. And then here you can just type the data set. Now in our concept today, we are going to learn on IPL matches. IPL, like in which year, how many matches has been played, like IPL matches analysis. So this data set you have to download. I have already downloaded, so I will be not be downloading it again. So here you can just go through this, and you can download, click on the option of download. You can just go with the data set here, new data set, just type IPL match analysis. So here I already have downloaded, so it is not giving me the option of download again. You can like download the code, everything is available here. So like for example, if you wanted to go with some other things like salary expenses or Titanic, so we do have so many data set here. For example, Titanic tutorial, not now. So it is providing data set, like for example, Titanic. I should get an option of download. If you are not getting download option, it would be yeah, see here. See, Titanic dataset, and we have a option called download here. So from here you can download the dataset, and if you click on download, it will again ask you few more things like download dataset as zip, or you can directly import it. So you can go with a zip and unzip it, extract it, and then you can go with a file. Yes, I have this. So now I can open Google Colab. So Google Colab, and then here, now in this I'm just going to create a new notebook. Once you create it, fine, everything is fine, just you check it out whether it is working good or not. Now here, here we can change the name, learn pandas by Pandey, Vivek Pandey. Okay, fine guys. So here let's check whether my code is working or not. Each and every cell I need to test. So here we have an option of a generate with AI also. If you have any problem, you can generate it. So like for example, if I am just printing it, print, and then my name Vivek Pandey, and check whether it is working or not. So in order to run, you can directly go with the control and enter, and you can also click on this, and see, you can check it out here. This is connecting, and it is connected, and we got the output as Vivek Pandey. It means the setup is all ready. So what we have to do, I'm just erasing this one. We can delete it, delete the cell. And here we also have a good option of adding the text. You can also add the text, and you can continue to keep a headings. Okay. And one more thing, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to upload the file. Where is the file I have to upload? Here, and then desktop, downloads, matches, open. It is giving me the warning that ensure that your files are saved elsewhere. This, okay, it will be terminated once it is if I'm shutting it down, like if I'm turning it off, or I'm closing this Google Colab, so it will be disappeared guys. So if you wanted, you can keep it, save it in your drive. Now I have uploaded this. Now what I'm going to do is, just we have to write a code guys. So in order to write the code, what is, so before writing the code, I wanted to show you something about pandas. So let's see what I have prepared, the presentation. Yes, slideshow from the beginning. So pandas, now see here. So this is what a definition of pandas. Let's see what is the definition here. And then, yes, in computer programming, pandas is a software library written for Python programming. Yes, it is for what? Data manipulation. This is important thing, and analysis. In particular, it offers data structures. Yes, and data, it offers for data structures and operations for manipulating what? Numerical tables and time series. So this is a official, or we can say formal definition of a pandas. Now let's see why pandas is needed. Why guys? To, these are the main things: simplifies the data handling, powerful data structure, efficient pre-processing, and seamless integration. So all these things are available on everywhere. You can just go and research on this. You will be getting a lot more information. Now here, practical applications, such as we have business analytics. Yes, like sales trend, customer, about like what are the areas we are getting more profit, like in chat also, when we are giving a ratings, how many of them got a plus positive rating, how many of them got a negative rating. Based on that also, we can decide whether the company is at loss or it is growing or improving in that way. And portfolio tracking, fraud detection, healthcare, education, all these things, guys. So there are many applications of pandas because manipulations, data analysis, almost it is in every field, every sector now. So now let's see in pandas, main data structures are both the things, like one is data frames, another one is series. Okay, so what is the meaning of data frames? Data frames means both rows and columns. Okay, so rows and columns both, and if we are working on only one row or one column, that is called series. Understood? So let's see one example of this. This is called as total data frame, and then this is called, if you are particular about one row and one series, then this is what it is, just a rows and call, this is called series, guys. Fine, this we have done. Now let's get back to this. Yes, I just wanted to run some code on this before. So here what we are going to do is, just first, in order to work with a pandas, I need to import that, right? Import pandas as pd. See, it is giving me the instructions clearly. Import pandas. Now after importing, what I need to do exactly? Yes. So now, for example, pd dot, I need to read the file, right? So read, see here we have read csv file, and then we have to give the name of this file. Okay, so what is the name of the file which we have? You can check it out here. What is the file? Matches. Okay, so matches. Inside this we have to write what? Matches, matches, matches dot csv. Now let's try to run this. Now I'm closing this one. Yes, so once I executed this, I got the total excel file on this. Okay, so see here, this is id, these all are my columns: id, season, city, date, team 1, team 2, toss winner, toss decision, result, up, all this, winner by runs, win by wickets, player of the match, venue, all these things are there here. Okay, so now this is a data set we have, and we have learned how to load the data set. Yes, means how to access. This is the main thing. First we have to import pandas, and this I'm giving a short name for that, alias. And yes, this is what we learned how to do this. Now I wanted some more information, such as like how many rows, how many columns we have. Yes, so for that, what I can go with is, now as this is there, I can directly also access this. I can store it in a variable such as data frame is equal to, everything will be stored in a variable, and finally I just wanted to print the variable, simple df, and if you run the same thing, I will get it. And even in another cell also, if you wanted to try, just you can try df, data frame, and then just run this. So what happened? We got it, right? Data frame. Yes, so df, data frame we got. Now what we can do is, we can do many other things also, like I'm cancelling this. So now I wanted to get some details about my data frame, like how many rows, how many columns. So now df dot, I just wanted to know how many rows and how many columns. So we have shape attribute. Okay, so I just wanted to know the shape, means rows and columns. So just I'm executing this. See here how many rows and how many columns. Here also it was showing, right? So with the help of this, I got what? Rows and then column. Okay, how many rows we have? 3, 6, 36 and 18 rows are there, and column is 18. Fine. Now once I got this, now also after this, now I wanted to access like its description will come later on. Now I wanted to access like rows, number of rows and number of columns. So for that, what I can go with is, here df and particular column I wanted to access. So here for example city is there, so df of city. Yes, now just execute this. So what we got only one column, Hyderabad, Pune, all this city we got. But this is auto generated, this indexes are auto generated from zero. Fine. Now yes, this is one thing. Now I wanted to go with a one more column. How I can go with one more column? So what we have, one more column. So what is another column? We have date, we have team one, toss winner. Let's go with a winner one. Winner. So when we go with a winner, let's see. Yes, now this I got it. Now I wanted to go with the winner also. Two columns I wanted to display. So df here, if I go with city, give it in a colon city and then comma. Now here winner. Fine. Now let's see what is the output. We are getting error, guys. It means why we are getting error? Yes, see the what is the error? It is a key error. Now pandas indexing, so something we are getting it here. The above exception was direct cause of following. Yes, if we have a like list, so it is giving us error, guys. To solve this, what we have to do is in this only we have to create one more list, or else it is taking it as a tuple for one. For if there are multiple things, we need to keep it in one more list, then the issue will be resolved. Okay, so same like this. Now for a better understanding here, see now we are getting what, city and then winner, both the things. Now one more thing, I just wanted to check the type of this. We can also check the type. Here is the code df. Now just type of df. So what would be the type of df? Let's see. So type of df is, yes, it is giving me pandas. Yeah, guys, so now what happens is whenever I'm trying type of df, then what I'm getting here, I'm getting this one, pandas code dot frame, means data frame it is. Yes, now in the same way, if I wanted to go with the code df and then one city, and then I just wanted to check the type of this type here. Now what happens, it is giving me series. Series. Okay, so if it is one, it is series. If it is multiple, for example, if I'm going with multiple columns, then what will be this output? Let's see. Winner, and then I told you that two list we have to give, nested list. Now see, it is data frame because it is multiple columns, no? So here it is a data frame, and if it is one, it is data series. Fine. Now that is fine. We learned something on the pandas. Now let's see one more thing, code. Now if I go with the df dot head, now what is this head will give, guys? Head is just a preview. Okay, how my data set looks. Okay, the preview of it, like it looks like this. And how many rows I will be getting? 1 2 3 4 5. So by default we are going to get what, 5 rows, and this is what in a ascending order only, like 1 2 3, not descending order. Now in this we can pass some number of values, like for example, I want to only go with a 3. So I just wanted to Yes, go with a 3. Now it is 3. So this time it given me only 3 things. Got it. Yes. Now for example, if I wanted to go with a 10 or 11, see it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So total 11 things. So in this head, what we can give the numbers right in this. Fine. Now, yes, in the same way, when we have a head for ascending order, in the same way we do also have something called tail. So let's see how tail works. Where is the code? Yes, here. So now def dot tail, and then so tail will be doing the same thing what head is doing, but it is in a opposite direction. I mean to say, from the last, it will pick the last 5 by default 5. So these are the last 5. See, 32, 30, 633, all this. Okay. Now in this also we can go with some numbers like 7, and we can go with a 7. Yes. Yeah. This is what about this tail. We understood about tail. Now I can go with the shape. For example, if I wanted to go with a shape, for example df, and then we have something called df dot shape. I have told you about shape. Now we can go with a describe. I just wanted to have describe. See here we have describe function, and let's see what is this describe function will do. Click on this. So this describe function is giving me all these things. What it is giving me? Total count. See here. So what is the total count? What is the mean of this? You know how to take the mean, and the standard deviation. Minimum, how many are there? Below 25%, below 50%, 75, and maximum what? So all these details, statistical details, we are getting with the help of what? Describe. Yes, describe we are going to get. Now in the same way, this describe is helpful for what? Numerical data. So now generally we have divided in two things, right? So I wanted to tell you one more thing in this. Here generally if I go with a df, see here we have a season. So in this totally we are dividing it into two things, I can say. One is categorical data or a column name, and another one is numerical. So what is this id is all about numbers. So and then one is mixed one. So here we have, what I can say here is, we have different types. Like first one is numeric, second one is categorical, and the third one is mixed. Categorical means what? Like for example true or false, means which is dividing them in a categories, either this category or that category, like team 1, team 2, boolean values. Numerical is all about numbers, you all know about this. And mixed means it will be having a mixed both the things. So let's see. Yes, so now whenever I have done this describe, usually it is applicable only on numerical data. Got it? But now I wanted to make it for everything all. So how we are going to do that? So we have an attribute in this. Let's see what is that attribute. In this df dot describe, and in this I need to give one attribute that is called include. See here we got include, and then here all. Yes, and all should be in a single quotations. Now this time you can see team 1, team 2 also. Earlier it was team 1, team 2 was not there for this. See, it is up DL applied, win by runs, win by wickets, umpire 3 was not there in this. So here, but this time it is also included these things also, like field, toss decision, teams, all this. Got it, guys? So now that is fine. Now let me guide you with one more beautiful function of pandas, and that is iloc. So what is this iloc? So for example, if I wanted to access only one row, so for the def dot iloc, see here, auto suggestions, it given me the auto suggestions. Now here, simply if I go with this run option, will it give me, it is giving me the object of this. But now in order to go with this, if I'm going with a 0, now let's see what happens. Yes, it is giving me the complete details about the first row. In the first row we have ID. Yes, ID is one, season 2017, city Hyderabad, date also given, team 1, team 2, like a toss winner, toss decision, result, all these things. It is all about what? Oh, it is played in Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Uppal. Okay, so now all this decision, all these things are we can able to access with the help of 0. Now if I wanted to go with the 6, so you can check this 6, we got ID 7, as it is starting from 0, so it is 6, ID 7, fine. Now in this you can also apply slicing for this, like slicing, how it works. So if I give here, if I don't want to go with 0, if I want to go with the fifth number, fifth index, and then colon up to 20, so what it will take, it will take from 5 to 19. Yes, that is what, right? See, 5 to 19 it took, the indexes I'm talking about. Yes, and for example, one more thing we can add, it is going with the 6 7, 5 6 7 indexes. Now I just wanted to skip something, I don't want this 6 or even numbers like this. Like for example, if I'm going with a 2 5, it will skip 6 and it will go with the all 7. So indexes, different indexes, we are getting all the odd indexes. So like this, it is skipping the values in between. You can skip like 3 3 also. Yes, this is completely the application of slicing, guys. Generally, we do ask in Python why we are using slicing. That is for a small purpose, like in a string. But here, total data frame we can able to manipulate with the help of this slicing. That is a powerful tool, guys. This slicing in iloc one. Got it. So now that is fine. Now, with the help of this, we can also fetch the columns. Here we are getting the total rows. I wanted to show you how we can fetch the columns even with the help of iloc. Let's see code. Here what I can do is def dot iloc, and in this, yes, colon, in this I will be giving comma, guys. So because this is for row and this is for column, in column I'm just giving you some numbers. So for that numbers again I have to give what? These columns. That is the reason I'm keeping in them in one list. So this time I wanted to fetch all the details like team 1, team 2, and then winner. Yes, team 1, team 2, and winner. So what are the indexes of that? Those indexes. So what are the indexes we got? Those indexes are like this, team 0 1 2 3 4. Column wise this is 4, team 1, team 2 is 5, and then one more is 10, I guess. This is the winner, fine. So let's give this. Here we have 4 comma 5 comma and then 10. Yes, So with the help of iloc, we can also fetch the columns even. See, we got columns. So team 1, team 2, and winner. Now can I go with a head also in this? So if I'm going with a head, what this head will do? Head is giving me total 5 things. Yes. So total how many things we got? 5. And if you wanted to go with a tail, even tail will work here. So it is very simple one, guys. You can practice along with me. You'll be getting it. Fine. So now this tail is done. Now one of the important thing is I need some of the details. Okay. So like for example, I wanted to get all the cities, all the information about the matches which are played in Hyderabad or some random cities, any city like Kolkata or any other city. So for that, what we are going to give? We are going to give what? Conditions. Yes. So before this, let me give you one small text. Now, I want to fetch all the details based on specific city. Yes, for example, Hyderabad. So I wanted the details about how many matches are played in Hyderabad, what are those matches, everything. Yes. So for that, what we can do, guys? So for that, it is simple. We can write df, and then here in df I'm just writing what? City, and then city is equal to what? Hyderabad. Now let's execute this. What we are getting in this? We are getting what? Yes, we are getting true. Means first index it is true. It is played in Hyderabad. So whatever, if it is this condition is true, yes, it will be checking each and every row, and if this condition is true, it is returning true, else false. All these are false. Okay. So like this. Now, but our intention is to print the total rows. How we are going to get that, guys? So to get that, what I'm doing is I'm just saving this. I'm just storing this total in a city variable called city. Once I stored this variable in a city, and then df of city. Yes. Now let's execute this. So see here. Now total information about what I'm getting? Information about Hyderabad. Yes. Now in this I can also apply the shape. Earlier how much it was? More than 600, right? Yeah, here it is. Now I just wanted to go with a dot. Yes, shape. How much it is? We are getting what? Now I just wanted to know how many matches has been played in Hyderabad. So it is giving me rows and columns also, but I wanted only rows. So can I go with the 0 here? So this is what the answer. How many matches are played in Hyderabad? That is 49. Yes, in this way we can answer this. Now, now this is fine. Now I wanted to go with I have to go with the different cities, like for example Bangalore or Abu Dhabi or some other place, like we have Rajkot, Gujarat. So in that way I have to fetch the details about different cities. For that, what we can do? We have already studied in Python. I guess you all are aware of it. If you have learned, if you have some basic idea about function concept. So here I have to keep on writing like Bangalore. Again, I have to keep on writing like, for example, same thing, Control C. I'm just pasting it here in the code. See, I'm just pasting it here. Instead of Hyderabad, let's go with the Bangalore, and let's type this. Let's execute this. What I got 66. Yes. Now once again 66 matches were played. Now here code, and one more thing, Raj code. Raj code. How many matches played in Rajkot? It is 10. So now if I wanted to check like this, if I'm checking, it is taking a lot of time for me. Each and every time I have to copy paste the code. So what we can do is, instead of that, we can simply go with the function concept, guys. Yes. So how the function works here, let's see. So now we can go with a function, and this function will help us to go with this. Yes. So now simply what we have to do here is simply write def. We have to write the definition of the function, and then city. Exactly, here we got it. See, city match, and then city. Okay, let me write it completely code for you. City. Here I don't want to go with the pop-ups. City counter means city match count. City match count. Fine. So this is what the function. In this I have to write the code. Now here, take city, and here, what I need to do, I need to copy the same thing. This is for indentation, pasted. Now here I have to return, right? Return, and the space. Now city is Rajkot. Now instead of Rajkot, what I can go with this, I can go with the city. Yes, yes, city. Now, is it resolved? Now what I have to do now, after giving this, I need to also give a call, right? This is a definition, function definition. So what I have to do, I can go with the function call directly here. So how I can go with the call, city name, city match count, and in this, now for example, I just wanted, it is better if I can open this, what it is, matches, yeah, so that I no need to always go up and look. Right here we have some city in this close. So here we have Indore or Mumbai. We'll go with Mumbai once. So Mumbai. Now execute this. Okay, it is giving me error, guys. So what is this Mumbai spelling? Once you check it out, Mumbai. Mumbai is correct only, right? City count is not defined. City match count, is it not correct? What is the error? It is saying name city match. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to execute it, right? Once we have to execute, once it is executed, then we can go with and execute this Mumbai. So once I'm executing, what I'm getting, 85. This is the answer, guys. Got it? So instead of Mumbai, now directly I can go with another city. Another city is Pune. Pune. And in Pune, how many matches were played? 32 matches. So it is simple, guys. No need to write every code, same code, and give with the city which I wanted. So this made our work very easier, guys. Yes. Now, my next question is, I need the details of I need the details of a matches played after 2010, and that too in Hyderabad. Now two conditions are there, guys. I need the details of what, the matches which are played in Hyderabad and also after 2010. So because in this there are some matches which are there before 2010 also. See, 2008 is there, 2009 is there. Yes, everything is there. So I don't want those matches, I wanted the data. So for that, how we can go with this, how we can write the code, let's understand this. Here it is the code. Now first thing is same code as we have written for finding the city, and the city is what? City is equal to same thing, right? I can copy paste it, so no need to type everything. Yes, this is what city. Done. So city I got it. Now once I did this, now I need to write what? Date also. So what is the date here? Date, I can go with date. Date is equal to df of date. Yes, df of date is greater than what? Again in quotations, I can go with 2010, because the pattern is in the same manner, right? Date. Okay, it is not showing me the date here. Let's check. So you can go with this 1505. In this way also you can go, or else you can directly go in this way, like the pattern should match. So here it is 10, and then 01, and then 01. So before, after this year I wanted the data. Yes. So once I have written this, now what I have to do? Is it done? So now I have to go with the both the conditions should be satisfying, right? When both the conditions are satisfying, then I need to print, I need to access the data. So df, and then in df what I have to write? City, and then yes, city. And if I write and date, what happens? Let's check it out once. Will it help me with that? So it is giving me what? Error. Why it is giving me error? Because it is saying it cannot work with the logical, and as city and data both are different. Now what is the error finally? The truth value of a series is ambiguous. Okay, uses empty. Fine. Now what we can go with this? If I go with the bitwise, and now let's see. Now it is working, and let's check whether it is giving me the correct output or not. The all these are Hyderabad, and then year also you can check 2016. So here I cannot, I will not be seeing the year previous then, or less than 2010 or less than that year I will not be able to see. Yes. So this is the thing. These conditions are important here, guys. Fine. Okay, guys. So what we have done till now, we have done up to here. Yes. So we got on the basis of city and date, and then here we can go with dot shape dot. Yes, we can go with dot shape. Yes, and then here 0. So with this, what we are going to get the total number of rows, and it is 42. Earlier it was less, but now earlier it was 47, I guess, with one. Yeah, but now it is little less. So this is about what? Conditions. We can make many conditions like this. Now, well, now my question is, let me write down the question. Now I wanted to find something different here. Now my question is, yeah, what is the question is? Let me read it out. How many matches? Yes, now I wanted to find out the count of matches played by every team. So count of matches played by every team. Okay, so this I wanted to get this idea how. So this is my question. The question is count of matches. Like for example, Delhi, yeah, Kolkata Knight Riders, Rajasthan Royals. How many matches they played? So side by side, I should get. So to get this, we can go with the code, and the code is here. Now let's see how we can write the code of this. So simply we need to find the winner. Yes, how many matches were played by every team? Okay, yes, every team, how many matches they have played. Fine. So what we can go with this is winners, right? How many matches played by every team using, yeah, here we are going to use what value count. So now let's see def, and then here I'm just going with a winner. Yes, so winner, here we have winner. Yes, I got it, winner. And then winner dot value count, here I got it, tab, and then one more tab. So here let's see. Yes, just it is a count, how many matches it played. Okay, so Mumbai Indians played 92 matches, Chennai Super Kings played 79. So like this, but I wanted to figure it out who played more number of matches, how we can get that. Yes, so to get that we can also go with the dot head function, and let's try it out. This time I'll be getting only 5. Now if I go with the tail, so what I'm getting in tail, winners. So like in this winner one, and then here total number of matches it is played, and they have won these many matches, Gujarat Lions. If I'm going with the head, what is happening here? Value count. See, yeah, value count. It is taking what? It is taking default what? This one in descending order. It is in descending order. Is it taking? Yes. Yeah. That is the reason when we are going with a tail and a head, it is reversing the case. So Mumbai Indians won 92 matches. Okay. Well, now I just wanted to go with yeah. This is about what value count, guys. So with the help of value count, you can go with this. Now, for example, here I don't want to go with the team one, or any other things also you can give it here. For example, we have in this team one, what are the other things we have? Team one, we have team two, and then yeah, player, venue, empire. So let's see here. I just wanted to go with the total number of winners. So what I can go with is shape, and then let's execute this. 0. So how much I'm getting here? I'm getting 636. So what is the meaning of this? These many matches has been played. So now the question is, how many teams they won, means the winner team and the data, how many matches they won, that was the question. So it is the count of matches who won, every team how many matches they won, that is the reason we are taking out winner here. Got it. So winner dot value count tab. So like this we are getting fine. That's it, guys. So this is about what value count. Now let's learn something about data frames. Data frames. Yes, what are these data frames? Now I wanted to just wanted to get the insights in a graph representation, which will make me more presentable if I wanted to present it in seminar hall or anywhere in any place, if I'm delivering my lecture, that would be really better, right? And we get lot of more insights rather than going with the numeric or this categorical data. The representation parts becomes very simple and easier. Now for that we have something called matplotlib. So now here I'm just going to show you the even pandas. We have data frame called matplotlib, so we can go with this. See here, pandas matplotlib. So it is showing me with matplotlib plotting. See here, this is what the website of this matplotlib, this thing. So you can go through this and you can plot different kind of graphs. I will be helping you with some small graphs in this. Yeah, I just wanted to show you one more thing in my presentation about pandas. Here we have pandas where it is about matplotlib. Yeah. See guys, this is what I just wanted to show you. Just see a pandas dot data frame. If you type, you'll be getting like this. See here, we have a line, bar, here, this part. So we have kind. In the kind we can give line, bar, bar hatch, histogram, box, and then KD, kernel, density, estimation plot, density, area, pi, scatter. All these things you can try it, guys. You can try out all this. Now let's go with the code. Where it is here. Yes. So now I just wanted to plot for that. Now here how we can do that. So for the above information I just wanted to plot the graph. Now we, for that we need to import. What I have to import, guys? Matplotlib. See, when I typed matplotlib it came automatically. Now matplotlib dot one more class of this same thing, and then tab, you have to give the tab pyplot as plt. Fine, this we got it. Now I just wanted to go with the same thing like the winner one here. The same code I'm just going to paste it here. Value count and the same details, let's show it in a graph. Now if I execute this, now df winner, now here tab. So it is what it is df winner dot, up to here we already know, and then dot plot kind is equal to what? Bar. So with a bar diagram we are going to represent it. Yes. So once it is done we can execute this, or else we can also go with the plt dot show. Yes, such. Yes, show. It is a function, it is a method because it is associated with a class. So now we execute this and we'll be getting our graph, bar graph. See here. So what it is in this x-axis and y-axis, what is there in x-axis? In x-axis we have the indexes, right? And the y-axis we have the values. Yes, yes, indexes and values. Now this is a bar diagram. Fine. Now in the same way I just wanted to represent some other data with a pie diagram. So let's see. Here is the code. Now in this I wanted to see the toss decision using pie chart. Toss decision means which one, how many matches they chosen to bat first, or how many matches they chosen to ball first, that is decided by the toss, right? So for that, what I can go with is def, or data frame, def, and inside this, what is the deciding factor? It is toss, right? So t, here it is toss decision, just toss decision, and then dot value count. Here we got one more, and here it is value count. Yes, now let's see what we are going to get. We got this. Yes, so field, this many of them, they took a fielding first and then batting. Now I just wanted to go with a pie chart on this. How we can go with a pie chart? Let's see. Code pasted. Now to go with this, what we have to do is just yes, dot plot. Yeah, we got it. Dot plot kind is equal to pi, and then show. See here, we got it, the pie diagram with this, and it looks really good, no? So this much is bat for batting, and this blue color one, saffron color one is representing bat, and then blue one is fielding. So this is about what, this diagram. Now we can also go with the, yes, histogram. So I hope you can try with a histogram also. Same thing. So let's go with a histogram also, one thing here. For a histogram, I just wanted to go with winners value count, and then yes, let's see with that, what, how we can go with. So winners, win is equal to, yes, exactly this we have written, but this time I just wanted to go with not this. Yeah, win, inside this win I'm storing what, dot value, value count. Okay, so now this is done, value count. Now here I just wanted to represent win, only win, 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 and let's execute this. What we got, same thing we are getting, right? When, yes. Now I wanted to get a graph to be created, histogram. So for that, what I can go with this, I can go with the index first. So what are the indexes in this? So this Mumbai Indians, it is the index, and the value is 92. Here this left side part, everything is what, indexes. Now let's see if I can fetch the indexes or not. So how we can get a index? Let's see how we can get a index code. So to get a index, we can simply write win dot index. Yes, and now execute it. So these all are what, indexes, and we can get values also. So let's go with the value, win dot values. Now execute this. Yes, we got what, values got printed. Fine. Now my main intention was to, yes, my intention was to plot a histogram, right? So for that, what I can do, how we can go with this histogram. Now to go with that, we can simply write what, here, same thing, I need to copy paste this, control C, paste, and then here in this dot, we can go with plot, dot plot dot show. But this time I just wanted to go with the histogram. So let's see whether it is showing the histogram or not. Yes, it is showing this. So this is histogram. This is means it is checking the frequency from 0 to 20. What is the frequency? And from 20 to 40, it is showing in that way. Now, for example, if I go with the win by runs, win by run run. Now let's execute this. Oh, I'm getting error. Oh, there is something issue with this. Win by run plot in. Okay. So if you are getting error, we have an option here to explain. See what it is saying is error is indicated that there is no name column win by index data frame, looking for a data frame. Okay, so there is nothing called, so we are giving a wrong name, win by run. Okay, df accept. Now now let's see. Yes, now it is working. So in this way you can plot many other graphs, guys. So you can go with this. So I guess up to here it is fine. Now in the next session we are going to see some more things about like sorting and then duplicate removal, all these things we are going to check. So now if you have learned something, just please try to subscribe this, because I have prepared and I can show you the presentation PPT, but I don't feel like showing you and then coding here. It's not good. Like that is the reason I have the presentation with me and I'm typing each and every line so that you can understand it more better what is happening. So if you do practice, you will understand it more better. And that's it, guys. And this is just a part one, and in part two we will be try to explain more in more better way, and with more concepts, with more clarity you'll be getting, you'll be understanding. So we have few more functionalities in Pandas, and yes guys, if you really feel like you learned something, please do subscribe it, and then obviously like, so that I will be getting some motivated. After a long time I made it actually. So I'm wishing you all a belated happy Dasara, and then advance happy Diwali, and then Karwa Chauth. So that's it, guys. Thank you, and be tuned. So let's meet in our next video. So till then, bye bye, guys. Take care.